Diwakar back with another new cool video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use your Android phone as a gamepad for your Android TV as well as gamepad for VR. Without wasting any more further time, let's get started.
Just now, take my hand, stop, put the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance, and I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy.
Firstly, pair your Android phone with your TV or VR via Bluetooth and download an application called Gamepad for VR or TV. Links are in the description box below.
We push it more like a magnet do.
I'm not recommending Sudasplay to use as it's having too many cons compared to this application.
And now my bed sheets smell like you.
Once the app is installed, open it up and give necessary permission and hit on displaying game on your Android TV or VR. Set Bluetooth gamepad keyboard as default input method.
I'm in love with your body.
Now open this application on your phone and hit on game controller.
Fill up your bag and I fill up a plate. Talk for hours and hours about the sweet and the sour and how your family is doing okay. Leaving, get in the taxi, then we kiss in the backseat. Tell the driver, make the radio play.
Connect to the game displaying device and hit on play button.
For somebody like me, come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say boy, let's.
That's all. Now your phone is successfully connected as gamepad.
Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with this.
Don't forget to change this from settings after the use because later you may face problems while using other apps like YouTube, etc.
Ain't you ever in my room? And now my bed sheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body.
Now go back with your remote and open up the game and start gaming.
I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with the shape of you.
If you like this video, don't forget to hit on thumbs up button and do share and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching guys. I'm Diwakar signing off and I will meet you in the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.